How to know if someone removed or blocked you on Snapchat? Open the Snapchat application. Make sure your device is connected with the internet. Now click on the chat icon given below. Search for the person you think has removed you and open his chat. Now click on his profile if you want to know if he has removed you or not. If you are not able to see their Snapchat score, then they have removed you. This means he is still your friend. Now I show you the profile of the person who removed me. Tap on this plus icon. Now open any profile that is not in your friend list. You can see this person's snap score is not visible to me, which means he has removed me.